Welcome to everyone. On the occasion of Mathematical Day, I am going to discuss about the role of mathematics in physics. Maths is the language of the universe, so the more equation you know, the more you can converse with the cosmos. So, if we want to study about the universe or any other things in the world, we want to know about the mathematics. So, in every field, mathematics play a major role. In physics, especially during the observations and conclusions or any other creations, mathematics is used as a mask to cover every part of the physics. Maths is a language in field of physics which acts as communication tool. If we want to do any experiments or creations, the mathematics play a major role. In English, grammar helps us to form meaningful sentence. Like that, mathematics gives valuable conclusion in physics. So, physics is simply context in which maths is applied as language to prove it. Not only physics have laws or theory, but maths too have it, which can be applied in field of physics to get accurate values. In both maths and physics, we have a concept type and algorithmic type. The concept type gives us law and theorem, but in reality, it can be achieved only by maths algorithmic. This algorithmic give way for physics to prove it. In physics, equations are important tools for modeling observations. So, for the equation formation, and experimental numerical values to obtain the conclusion, etc., are given by mathematics to prove it and to achieve the conclusion of the observations. In between mathematics and physics, it has a formal description of knowledge as a set of concepts within a domain and the relationships that hold between them. That is called as ontology. So this ontology form a field like known as mathematical physics, which give more experiments results and observations conclusions in very accurate values. So mathematical physics play a major role in quantum mechanics and classical mechanics uses equation formations, proofs, etc. Some basic components in mathematics and physics have a major role and it's often used in the field of physics and maths. The graph. In maths, it represents a single object, but in physics, it represents the relation between two quantities. Axis. In maths, it gives a dimensionless representation. In physics, it gives a value of quantities which expressed in unit. Origin. In maths, it start with the zero position. In physics, it start with the arbitrary position. Plot range. In maths, it is infinite. In physics, it is a range between the quantities. Slope. Dimension numbers having a geometric interpretation in mathematics, but in physics, it represents the change of quantity with respect to the another in the form of quantity with a unit. Physics try to show the relationship between two quantities by using the numbers. So not only the relationship, but it also have a bonding. Equations mathematical relationship between an independent variable and dependent variable. In English, there is a famous proverb which is known as a friend in need is a friend indeed. So like that, for physics, the mathematics is a friend, and for mathematics, physics is a friend, which support each other in the every relationship and variables without any deviations. New math is discovered in physics, but math is also useful for physics discoveries. Yes, in physics field, we have discovered a quantum computers which make a huge calculation in few drop of seconds. But math is useful for smart thinking and it is an indispensable tool. But we still don't have enough knowledge in math to understand the deep physics which present inside the world or outside the universe. So math is a bonding between the physics to discover any new things present inside the world or present outside the universe. Physics is related with mathematics to a greater extent. Mathematical efficiency give more confidence to learner of physics. Each rule and principle in physics takes mathematical mask and mathematics give them their final shape. In physics, In every step, mathematical calculation occurs. For example, the law of motion, friction, expansion of solids, liquid pressure are explained by using mathematics. All the measurements in physics needs mathematics. So mathematics gives a bonding in the field of physics to obtain a conclusion and estimate results. Hence, the Journal of Mathematical Physics defines the field as the application of mathematics to problem in physics and the development of mathematical methods suitable for such application and for the formulation of physical theories. So this mathematical physics give us a formulation to obtain a physical theories in the form of applications. Finally, there is no physics without mathematics. Mathematics is a tool of physics. The world-famous physician lectures Richard Feynman says, if all of mathematics disappeared, physics would be set back by exactly 1 week. Mathematics is the language with which God has written the universe. Hence, if we want to study the physics or any subjects, mathematics is used as a tool. So finally, on the occasion of Mathematical Day, I am very glad to share about the role of mathematics and physics. Thank you.